It's disgusting.
How can you say that?
Yeah. Oh, it doesn't. It smells something weird.
Butt ice cream?
Yeah.
Mm. Welcome back. Today we are going back to 1941 and we are attempting, and I like attempting with asterisks and quotation marks and like whatever else needs to go in front of it, a recipe from the Escoffier Cookbook. A little bit more on what happened here, but I love this cookbook. I love it. Like, I love fine paintings and fine art, where I appreciate it, but I've never actually attempted anything in this book. I look through it lovingly every once in a while, sometimes too much, which is why the cover has fallen off, and just put it back. Because every time I think about doing it, I think, oh my God, there's gonna be 10 million dishes, and who has time for that? But I have time today. So the asparagus ice cream is in a long list of very enjoyable sounding ice creams. We have almond ice cream, filbert, coffee, chocolate, walnut, pistachio, praline, tea, vanilla, and asparagus. And so I had to try it. It just intrigued me so much. And also, I have to say, it was a recipe that I thought I could possibly pull off. Much different than a lot of the recipes that I read in here, where I, like, halfway through, I have a panic attack and have to put the book away. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna try the asparagus ice cream and see how it comes out.
This stuff.
So wait, let's talk about what we're having right now.
No, I want the food.
I know. So do you like asparagus?
No, I hate it.
You hate it. And what are your feelings of me putting it into ice cream?
That you're going to ruin my ice cream experience.
What do you imagine it to taste like?
Tastes like butt.
Like butt?
Yeah.
Why do you have to be so fresh all the time?
No, because literally were chopping it up, the asparagus up, it smelled like butt and fart.
That's not cool.
The asparagus smelled like butt and fart.
Don't you think something magical is going to happen when the ice cream and the eggs and the sugar all get together?
No! And I just want ice cream. So,
Alright.
give me a scoop. Oh, it smells something weird.
Huh?
It smells weird.
I'm going to do the one with asparagus in it. What? Yes, it is.
Taste it. Right now.
Okay.
Tastes like egg.
Well, there's a lot of eggs in it.
It tastes like
It's
egg.
it's a custard.
Taste it.
I will. Here, I'm not going to taste on the spoon. It's a freaking pandemic right now.
Oh my God.
All right, I'm going to taste mine. What face?
The
My tasting face? It is a little bit more asparagus-y today. But it tastes like... No, it's not butty.
But that's what it is.
Butt ice cream?
Yeah.
Mm.
More.
It tastes like nutty almost. It's really good. I like it a lot.
I want chocolate.
You don't like the custard?
Try it. Try it right now.
All right. Oh, yours has better texture than mine. It tastes like super good custard.
It tastes like egg. Egg.
Well, there's egg in it.
I taste the asparagus.
Huh?
Taste the asparagus.
There's also asparagus in it.
It's disgusting.
What?
It's
How
disgusting.
can you say that?
The asparagus makes it disgusting.
I think it tastes like almost like pecan-y.
No, it doesn't.
No?
You lied to me.
I didn't lie to you.
Yeah, you said to make. I'm gonna make something good.
It is good.
It's terrible.
A French master made this ice cream. And
You're not a
through-
French master.
Not me, but through me, a French master made this ice cream. It gave me his knowledge, and then I made the ice cream.
Oh, well, his knowledge is good.
Well then. Well, I think it's delicious. What do you think of it?
Okay, the texture is really good, but it tastes like ass.
Why do you guys keep saying that? You're gonna eat a cookie instead. All right then. See you next time.
I do.